It's October 5th, 2023. It's around 12:20 right now, in the middle of the night. I'm going to be testing the horn because I bought a new horn, and I'm going to record the sound difference with the one I have now. And then once I get the new one installed, and see the difference. Well, that's what my horn sounds like now. And then once I get the new one installed, I'll record the sound too, video. And I'm still waiting for new plastic parts, body panels, plastic parts, body parts. The motorbike comes in, I don't know when, maybe in a couple of days or a week. It'll look different. It has a Red Bull design, but it's different colors. And I'm gonna ride around for a little bit more and then go home.